In this video, I'm going to introduce to you some of the features that become available to you once you've been given the role of citizen developer. In essence, you now have the power to make small tweaks to the system that just affect yourself, helping you customize how it works and hopefully making it a more efficient and enjoyable process. A good example would be making your own view of a list of organizations that is focused on the ones where you are the owner. For the purposes of this example, I'm logged in as an experienced user called Diane. So we're going to start by turning on development mode, start on tiles and navigate to the tile CRM and the view organizations all. Once you are looking at the view you wish to personalize, simply toggle the development mode icon that you'll find here at the top of the page. You can see how some new icons are on the user interface. So we're going to start by adding the date created field. If we look at the far right of the table headers, we can see a plus button. If this is the first time you've tried to change the view, then the system will tell you that it needs to make a copy just for you. Simply press the button to do this. The view will reload on screen and we can see the change in name indicating that it's your own version. We can now press the plus button again. From this window, we can add other fields that may be of interest. For me, it would be useful if the date the record was created was shown. So I simply choose the field and press Add. You can also change the name of the field to suit you. So I'm going to rename this Creation Date. I might want this new field further to the left so it's easier to see. So I can change the order of the fields from the list of fields found under the Edit button. I can always move it again by pressing Edit View at the top left. You can see the list of all the fields and it's as simple as dragging and dropping. So you can also remove fields that you don't need. You should be aware that some fields cannot be removed. Don't worry, you can't cause any damage. The system simply alerts you that it can't delete the field. In these cases, you may want to simply move the field to the bottom of the list out of the way. Let's filter this view so it only shows orgs that belong to me. So we're in the Filters section. To add the filter, we need to choose the field we wish to filter by. So the field we'll select is Account Manager. The value is my name, and then click Add. We'll now show you the results. You might have already noticed that the list of orgs has changed to the ones that I am interested in. We can also rename the view by clicking Edit, Properties, and typing a new name. So we're going to call this All Dianes. If we then go back to the tile interface, we can now see that this is under CRM. When I click on the CRM, it takes me directly to All Dianes. And if you click on the CRM drop-down, you can see that All Dianes is under CRM. The name we'll give the view will control which menu drop-down it will appear in. So if we go back and edit the name again, and this time call it Organizations-All Dianes, we can see that when we go back to the front screen and click on the CRM, it takes us again straight to Organizations-All Diane, but at the very top you can see that the drop-down from Organizations now has All Dianes in it. We can go back in and edit again, and this time we will call it Dianes space dash space all. And this again will change the menu drop-down that it appears in. I'm now going to show you how to change your default in your tile settings. So rather than having to swap to My View every time you click on a tile, you can change the default to be your personal view. On the front screen, click your avatar and choose Tile Settings. Each of the tiles will have a cog on it. On the CRM tile, we can click it and change our default view to be My Personalised one. So from now on, when you start using Agile Base and you click on the CRM tile, it will go straight to the most useful view for you.